Speaking of letting things go, a thing that we should not let go. That thing being Jeffrey Epstein. Oh, all right, so that's still happening. His accomplice, Ghislaine Maxwell, is still in jail and being checked on literally every 15 minutes. You know, in case someone tries to kill her. Meanwhile, Prince Andrew is still at large and should be considered armed and dangerous. Ghislaine is currently in the legal stages of trying to get her case thrown out because the jury was too white, which feels like maybe she's desperate, and maybe that means she'll, I don't know, give up the sex tapes of former presidents Donald Trump and Bill Clinton that she absolutely once told a 60 Minutes producer that she has. Weird how we just sort of know that two former presidents and whatever Prince Andrew is, I guess a prince, absolutely had sex with underage slaves and are rapists. Like, we know this, right? There's so much evidence and video and photos of them hanging out with the sex monster guy,